Dude, I totally asked out a girl last night.
Aw, sweet man. Did she say yes?
Hey guys, you gotta see what I just finished.
Peter, do we really have to see this?
Yeah, last time you made us see something, things didn't go so well.
No, seriously, you guys, you gotta see this. Just follow me.
Okay.
Fine.
Come on, you guys.
Man, you sure about this?
Yeah, last time we were in the hospital for 6 weeks afterward.
I'm serious, you guys. You won't regret this.
Oh shit.
Alright, fine, what is this?
Alright, you ready? Look at this.
Oh my
Holy
god, what is
shit,
that
look
thing?
at that.
Awesome.
What is it?
It's called the elephant rifle. On top is a scope and a sniper. In the middle is a rocket launcher with many modifications to make it go faster and stronger than ever. On the sides are a few machine guns that can remain in their current state while shooting, or they can be detached. In the front is a sword for stabbing at close range. And there are many supports on each side. So, let's try this thing out. Let me pick it up. Oh, God. That thing's heavy.
Here, let me try picking this thing up. Oh, damn, that thing's not budging.
You guys are both a bunch of pansies. Hold on, I got this. There we go. Wait. Oh crap. I'm sorry, hold on. Let me put this back. No, wait. I got this. No. Put that there. No. Let's put this back here. No, I didn't want that. No. Crap. Shit. Let me put that there and pick it this up. Put it over here. No. Wait, that didn't go there, did it? Did this go here? No. Wait. Crap. This goes here. No. Nah. Shit. Oh, crap. Oh my god. This goes here. No. This. Why is it all falling apart? No. Crap. Shit.
Dude, what the fuck?